finished creating your AI voiceover and ready to use it in your next project. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export projects from Murf AI in 2026 so you can download your work and use it in videos, podcasts, presentations, and more. First, sign into your Murf AI account and open the project you want to export. Before downloading, play the entire voiceover one last time to make sure everything sounds exactly the way you want. If you've made any recent changes to your script or voice settings, generate the latest version before exporting. This ensures your download includes all of your final edits and adjustments. Next, locate the export or download option in the project interface. Depending on your subscription and the current Murf AI interface, you may see different export options or file formats available. Choose your preferred export settings if they're available, then start the download. Once the export is complete, save the file to a location where you can easily find it for your video editor, podcast software, or presentation. After downloading, open the exported file and listen through it one final time. So, make sure the audio plays correctly and that there aren't any missing sections before using it in your project. And that's how you export projects from Murf AI in 2026. Once your file is downloaded, it's ready to be used in your favorite editing software or shared wherever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.